In India, three things sell instantly. It's cricket, Bollywood, and fairness. Now, when it comes to cricket and Bollywood, they entertain us. But when it comes to fairness, we are pretty convinced instant is better. And that's where the entire problem starts. We are promised fairness, we promised glow, we promised glass skin in a tube, in a bottle in 3 days. And that's when patients line up in our OPD with sensitized skin, with rashes, with so many problems that we can't even begin to speak about. If this sounds familiar, today's video is for you. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. Doctor, my neighbor gave me this cream. Her skin looks so good and promise you my skin was never better. जितना time मैं ये cream लगा रही थी, my skin was really good. But जिस दिन से मैंने ये cream बंद किया है, I have had the worst skin of my life. Now, if this sounds familiar, trust me, this is not bad luck. You're also victim to one of these fairness cream traps that is so prevalent in our country. The same cream that you feel fixed it is the one that damaged it, and that is what has also damaged your skin barrier. So let me tell you how this starts. You get a cream from a chemist, a friend, a parlor, or maybe a salon, sometimes even Google, and they give you very tall claims and promises. और कुछ गलत नहीं होता because जैसे ही आप लगाना शुरू करते हो within the first 3 to 5 days your acne settles down, your redness goes down, your skin looks really shiny, glowy, to an extent filtered, and you think finally something is working, so you keep using it. Now the reality shift. What is exactly happening underneath your skin? And it's like putting noise cancellation headphones. प्रॉब्लम खत्म नहीं हुआ बट आपको सुनाई देना बंद हो गया. So what is my दुश्मनी with these creams? It's actually most of these creams containing topical steroids. Now, are topical steroids bad? Well, a yes and a no. When prescribed by a dermatologist for a certain skin condition, they can be life-changing. As dermatologists, we are prescribing them for conditions like psoriasis, eczema, lichen planus, bad rashes, an immediate allergic reaction, and so on and so forth. But having said that, if you give it to somebody for their own use at their own disposal, it can be really damaging. It's like steroids in the gym. Definitely not recommended. So steroids over the counter, absolutely unsafe. So when you use these creams randomly on the face, होता क्या है? Problem solve नहीं होती, suppress हो जाती है. Inflammation दब जाता है, barrier disrupt हो जाता है और हमारी skin dependent हो जाती है. The other day, I had a patient walk into my clinic saying, Doc, I've had acne almost all my life. And somebody gave me this cream. मेरा acne magically disappear हो गया. But जब से मैंने ये cream लगानी बंद करी है, I don't know what is my skin type anymore. मेरे skin पे rashes हैं, मैं पानी से भी चेहरा धोती हूँ तो burn होता है. So what exactly is happening? और जैसे ही उसने ये क्रीम लगानी बंद की, she had explosive acne all over her face. Now, what does this go to say? This was plain, simple acne which was being suppressed by your topical steroids, और अब ये steroidal acne बाहर आ रहा है. So when a patient comes to me and says, Doctor, मेरी skin suddenly sensitive हो गई है, that's a red flag. There is nothing sudden about it. There's been something that has been brewing and you have been ignoring it. And here comes the tricky part. Most of the people who are using these creams don't even know they're using steroids because they come camouflaged in your fairness creams, your anti-acne quick fixes, combo creams, or just a random moisturizer which promises hydration and glow. Anything that promises to work too fast and last forever should make you pause. Having said that, know that it's not the steroid that are bad drugs. These are precision tools. Problem is wrong indication, wrong duration, wrong site, face especially, and no supervision. When topical steroids are used randomly on the face, effects are pretty much predictable. How patients usually present is there's something called a steroid-dependent face. अब इसमें क्या होता है? The skin looks fine on cream, but the moment you stop, redness, burning, stinging appears. We often mistake it as allergy or sensitive skin, and this is the most common pattern you see in the clinic. Then we have acne flare-ups. We call it steroid acne. Sudden monomorphic acne, मतलब एक ही जैसे दाने दिखते हैं all over the face, often on the cheeks, forehead, jawline, and it does not behave like typical jawline hormonal acne. Another thing is steroid rosacea like dermatitis. Now, persistent redness, especially on the cheeks, flushing, burning even on application of sunscreen or water, papules, pustules over a red base. We also have skin thinning as a big problem with patients on topical steroids, where the skin becomes fragile, shiny, almost translucent. Fine lines, wrinkles appear earlier, and there's easy bruising of the skin. We have visible blood vessels on a steroid abused skin, where fine red lines on cheeks or nose can be seen, and permanent damage if at all we use it for a prolonged period of time. Now, pigmentation के केस पे क्या होता है? We have hypopigmentation as well as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation after rebound inflammation. Patients on constant steroids also complain of excessive facial hair, and fine hair on the face usually ends up becoming thicker and darker, especially around your sideburns or on your cheeks. There's an entity called perioral dermatitis. Small red bumps around the mouth, burning, dryness, and it worsens with constant steroid use. Chances of infections also increase when you're on steroids. So your fungal infection, your bacterial infection, your demodex proliferation all tend to increase when you're on constant steroids. And whenever there is a wound and you're on a steroid cream, there will always be delayed wound healing. अब बात हो गई प्रॉब्लम की, तो आते हैं सॉल्यूशन पे. First and foremost, do not panic, do not overreact, because that's where we all go wrong. एकदम से हम 5 नए स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स अपने रूटीन में इंट्रोड्यूस कर देते हैं. We start doing a lot of DIY fixes. We changed one doctor and another, but you need to actually calm down and start working on your skin barrier. Stick to a doctor, give your skin time, because that's the only one thing that's going to help you in the long run. Your skin does not need experimentation right now. It needs structure, calm, and a little bit of guidance. One pearl from today's video: any cream that ends with a VATE, V-A-T-E. It could be any of your favorite creams that are seen all over our houses all the time. Please don't use them blindly. And if there's any cream that comes in a transparent box or a white round dabba or any other cream that does not carry the ingredients on it, refrain. Please do not use it unless and until you wouldn't put it in your mouth, right? If you don't know what you're eating, you would definitely not apply something that you're applying on your face as well. So if you don't know the ingredients, please don't apply the cream. That's my best one word takeaway. If you don't know what's inside, it does not go onto your face or into your system. So if this video resonates with you, or you think it can help somebody you love, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll keep coming back with more such content.